Okay, we are back. Yeah, we're on my like pops and bang tune, I'll call it. It's a 25 psi map instead of my 30 or 29 like my other one. This one, I went back to this one for a little bit because it has like crackles and shit. The only thing is I just have 93 in here, so we're at E14, which that's higher than higher than I thought, because I want to see 87 is E10 once I ever had that in here, so it's like whatever. But yeah, let's get into this bitch. This is what we can do. We can roll down every window except for those two. Hopefully this is the right camera settings and it doesn't look terrible. If you guys do like this type of content, like, subscribe. I'm thinking about like investing into some actual good cameras. I want to get the Insta360 like camera for the back, like X5 or whatever the fuck. They roiled these up while I talk. And then I want to get a Insta360. It's like the Go 3S or some shit, and get a hat to clip it on. Because from what I've seen, that shit is like fucking way better quality than like any of the GoPros at night. So, mods for this thing. Gatted downpipe, don't know what brand it is. I bought it with the car. That's not a cop, okay. Gatted downpipe, bought it with the car. Has intake, has Cobb Flex fuel sensor. I think that's it. Oh wait, that's for all the engine shit. Now suspension wise, BC Racing, apparently they're extreme lows. I don't know if that's true or not, but. And then we have BBS's. Supra. The Supra, fuck it. I've ever seen the Supra before. dude is fucking moving, bro. Holy fuck. That dude, oh my god. Holy shit. Why is everyone outside? It's a fucking Monday night. Supra has to get fucking down, dude. There ain't no fucking way it doesn't. How that shit moved, I have never seen that fucking Supra before, but I promise, like, that shit has to get down. Yeah, I want that house right there. That's the fucking dream house right there. Indiana. I got one tunnel I want to go under. See, this tune's nowhere near as fast as the other one. Quite literally the only reason why I came down this way. Quite literally. Last one and then we're done. those buildings over there. I'm being so dead ass. But anyways, if you guys enjoy this type of content, like, subscribe. I'll get some better camera shit here soon. Maybe Insta360 off the back or some shit. I don't know. You guys want to see some winter shit? Whew. Whatever you guys want to see, comment it down below. I need ideas of what to make. I love making videos, I just have no fucking clue what to make. So, yeah. Real quick, this doesn't mean all the IS shit's going away. I just don't have one. I want to get another one. I still have my OG one, the black one. That shit parted out pretty much if you've seen the channel. But yeah. Just leave a comment what you want to see. Another IS coming soon, hopefully. And I'll see you guys.